Hello children, how are you all? This is your computer teacher Chaitra. So let us continue with the chapter 1 Windows 7 part B. So hope you have seen the video of part A. So we learnt about operating system, then what are the operating systems and Windows, what is a Windows 7, then what is the hardware, what is software, then how the desktop looks and what are all the icons and what is the taskbar. Next, we'll continue with the part B, that is the computer window. Learn about the computer window. Computer window is how the computer window looks like with files, folders, and working with the files and folders and some exercises. So, shall we continue this? Yes. Yeah. What is a computer window? How it looks? Let us see, it contains drives, files and folders. So he is asking what is the computer window and how it looks. So let us see, he is telling let us see it contains drives, files and folders. So this is the image children. So you can see the computer window. This is your computer window. Fine, this is your computer window. So you have a drives here, hard disk drives, and you have a drives with the removable storage like floppy disk, then CD or DVD drive, and you have a network access. These are all the removable storage devices. Fine. So I have given the hard drives here. So this is the DVD drive and this is the removable. So if you go and click on the My Computer, you will get to know about what are all the drives and removable drives are there inside the system. Fine. So you can see in the left, you can see the desktop downloads. Then you can see on the left side desktop downloads, libraries, then computer. Local disk is the hard drive. Home on the PSF is the networking, which is network location. So this is internet and this is the floppy, that is removable storage. So shall we continue now? Yeah. Next. Let me do this here. So again one more window is here. So you can see the folders here. Different folders are there. So files stored in this computer, that is shared documents and administrator documents. Then hard disk, there are two hard disk here, local disk and local disk D, and this is one removable, that is CD or DVD drive is the removable storage. Fine, this is CD drive, that is removable, and these are the drives. Then these are the folders or files. Yeah. Next, in this image you can see children, there are two panels. So that is the left panel and the right panel. So this left panel, when you are going to click on the desktop, it will show the list like this, and when you are going to click on the My Documents, it is going to show the list of all the files and folders that you have created in the My Documents. So this is the left panel where you get the list, and this is the right panel where you get the contents or where you get the files, folders or images, anything. So second, again you are going to click on the My Computer, you will get some list here, and when you click on that particular particular list, all the files, folders created in that particular folder or particular icon will be seen here in the right panel. So you can see the files here, 3 folders are there and 2 files are there. One is the image file and one is the word file. Yeah. So here if we give a comparison, so drives are nothing but it's like our cupboard. So you can see the cupboard here. So this is our cupboard. So inside the cupboard there are some boxes. They are nothing but the folders, and inside the boxes you have some items you are going to keep, that is nothing but the files. Hope you have understood. So drive is nothing but your cupboard, and inside cupboard you can keep the boxes, that is nothing but the folders, and inside folders you can keep many things. Can you just see, a cupboard is arranged with the boxes here, cupboard is arranged with the boxes and they are nothing but the folders. So entire cupboard will become a drive, and you can keep 2 cupboards or 2 drives or 3 drives depending upon your storage. Next, the folders can keep nice boxes here. So they are nothing but the folders. You can keep how many boxes you want depending upon the size of the cupboard. Then all these folders have some items in it, and they are nothing but the files which will be useful for us, correct? So we can just compare this to the cupboard and you will get a nice idea of what is a drive and what is the folders and what is the files. So shall we continue now? Yeah. So let us see what is a drive. So here in the image you can see the drive, system drive is there, then secondary drive is there. So system drive is nothing but like your cupboard, storage area where you can store something. So here the drives are nothing but the storage area. So storage space of the hard disk similar to our cupboard where we store all our clothes, correct? So CD or DVD drive contains files inserted from the disk, and removable drives contains files from the pen drive memory card. So CD or DVD drive, because CD and DVD are the external devices which requires a particular or a special drive. So they need a special drive to insert the disk, and removable disk contains files from the pen drive memory card. All this requires a memory card reader or a USB port, so which will show it is a removable. You can remove it. It is portable devices. So next let us see what is a folder. Storage space for the files and the subfolder. So box, you can keep one box. Inside that you can keep another box and you can store some things inside. So again that is called as box. Within the box is nothing but the subfolder. So box within the box is nothing but the subfolder, and the files are nothing but the items you keep inside the box, correct? You can see the folder here, folder how it looks. So this is the folder how it looks, correct? Yeah. Next let us come to the files. So can you just see in the images all the files? It can be a word file, it can be a picture file, it can be even a subfolder inside the folder. So it is nothing but the set of information or a data which consists of text, graphics and sounds. Files are kept inside the folders. So things kept inside the box. Similarly, I have given in the last diagram the things that are kept inside the box are nothing but the files which contains text, graphics and sounds. Hope you came to know what is a drive, what is a folder and what is a file. So shall we continue? Now we are going to learn about how to make the folders. So there are two ways of creating a folder. You can see two images I have given here. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. So go to the desktop screen. You can just click on the right click. You get a new here. Then you have to click on the folder. So it will create a folder here. Then you can just copy it to the inside the drives or inside the system. So this is one way of creating a folder. So you can just click on the again you can click, see here the folders are created here. We can rename the folders. Then you can just click inside you can just copy it and paste it inside the system. One more is you can just open the window. So once you open the window you get options here: organize, open, share with and new folder. So you're going to click here. New folder will be automatically created in the documents library. So you can just, once created folder is created, it can be carried anywhere inside the system. So you can just copy it and you can rename it. You can just store it anywhere. Fine. So this is like, I'll just give you the example how to make the folders. So I have given you here cupboard. So I'll just show you how the example. So here cupboard is there. So already the shelves are here. You can store directly the shelves. You can store directly the things inside the shelves, or it is nothing but like a drawers. Drawers are already there. So no need to make it separate boxes. So you can just store the things inside the drawer, or you can keep a external box and you can just store inside it, or you can just store the things inside it. Getting how to make folders. So one thing is on the desktop, creating on the desktop. Other thing is creating inside the window itself. Now how to rename it? Can you just see in the image here? So this is, you're going to just right click here. You get the options, many options here. That is rename. You're going to click rename and then you're going to give a new name, whatever the name you want. You can just give it. Next is how to copy a folder. So again the option is you can just, there is two way here. One is you can directly send to wherever you want, that is send to option is there. You're going to right click, you're going to send to, and another one is you can just copy it and you can paste it. So the difference here is once the send to option is taken, the folder will not be present here. There will be no duplicate copy of the particular folder. But when you're going to copy it and paste it, you get the two copies of the folder. Getting? So when you're going to move it, you're going to just take it and you're going to move it. So you don't have any copy in the particular place. But when you're going to copy and paste it, you get the two copies of the particular folder. Now moving a folder. So how to move a folder? You can just use cut option. You can just use cut option, then you can paste it. So once it is cut done here, the folder will not exist here. It will go to the destination where here you have given the paste option. So for example, if you have done in the C drive and you want to move it to the D drive, you can either copy it, but copying again creates a duplicate folder. So I don't want a duplicate folder. So what I will do, I will just select cut option. It will cut from the C drive and I am going to give the destination as D drive. So it is going to paste in the D drive. Hope you understood it. It's given clearly. Next, folder to pen drive. So how to copy the folder to pen drive? So you can just see in the image, I have taken the folder, I have done send to, then ScanDisk E. ScanDisk is the removable storage, that is my pen drive. So I can copy it and paste it in the pen drive, or I can just take it, I can just move it to the pen drive. Once the send to is option is done, it will not be existing in the system. So you can just, if you want a copy of this, you can just copy it and you can just paste it in the pen drive. Next, how to delete the folder. This is everyone knows. You can just right click and you can ask the folder to delete. It will go to the recycle bin. So it won't be deleted permanently. All the files and folders, it won't be get permanently deleted. It goes to the recycle bin first. So can you just see the recycle here? So recycle bin, it's nothing but a dustbin here. So it goes to the dustbin first. Then from dustbin, if you give delete option, it will delete permanently. So all the files and folders, if you give the delete option here, it goes to the recycle bin. So can you just see the recycle bin image here? So there you have option empty recycle bin. So empty recycle bin means then it will going to empty the recycle bin, that is delete the files permanently. Deleted files are temporarily stored in a folder called as recycle bin. Again, recycle bin is also a folder which stores temporarily the deleted files. So waste basket of the computer, it is nothing but the waste basket of the computer. You can delete files permanently from the recycle bin. Next, change the folder icons. So how to change the folder icons? Suppose I don't like this folder, I just keep my own. So you can see many options here. So you need to go right click on the properties. Here it is given in the image 1 on the desktop as shown in the figure 1. Next click on the customize. Customize is my own. I don't want like this. I want something like something new which looks very good on my system. So what I will do, click on the customize and click on the change icon. I'll just click on the change icon. See here there are many icons. You can just see in this there are different types of icons. So you can change it to this thing because sometimes it looks all the same of same type. So I want my separate folder to be changed. So contents will be same here, but the view, that is what we are going to see, the folder, this yellow color won't be there. It will be replaced by something. So click on the browse. So when you click on the browse here, you get different options. So here different options. So browse option is here. You get different option. Then choose any one folder format. These are the formats. So suppose I want like this. I will take like this. So then you're going to do right click on the properties. Then you're going to do customize and right click on the change icon. And then you're going to browse it. And then you're going to choose it. And you are going to say apply and OK. So can you just see in the image here? From this, it has been transformed to this. So somebody has changed this folder to this folder, means why this is a gaming folder. So no need to search for always this folder. Once you do like this, it is easy to track the folder. So after this, it has been changed like this. Hope you understood this. Again, I'll tell you, right click on the properties, click on the customize and click on the change icon and click on the browse and choose the folder format, apply and OK. So next, folder views. So in the files you have some folder views here. There are some large, extra large icons. Have you seen the icons? The icons are nothing but the small pictures present on the desktop. So large icons, extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list and details. So icons. So icons are nothing but the small images. So how this images has to be done on the computer window? It should be extra large icon. Extra large icon means only one icon with the big image will be there. Then large icons, you can just see in the image, large icons, it will look like this. Then medium icons, there will be 4 in a window, and small icons, there will be many in a window. And this is the list icons, list will be looking like this, and details will be like this and with the details. Fine? Yeah. So can you just see here, this is nothing but the list. So list with contents is nothing but gives the details. So folder view is to find out the folders easily. Depending upon the date and size of the folder created, it has different view options: extra large icons, medium icons and the small icons. Now, this arrangement of folders, how the folders has to be arranged. So that is the list view or folders is seen. Details view, tiles view and the content view. There are 4 views: list view, details view, tiles view and the content view. So what is the list view? Can you just see in the image? This is the list view. Can you just see the things which are like in a list? Yeah, these are the folders and these are the files. List view is used to get the list of all the different files and the folders. So this is the list view. Next is the content view. Next is the details view. Can you just see in the image? So this is a folder, file, folder, files are there. So details are there here. Date is there, type is there, size is there. So date is when the folder has been created. Type, what type of it is? It is a folder or a file. Then size, what is the size of the particular folder? So details view is used to see the details. So what are all the details of the particular files and folders are seen here. Next is the tiles view. Can you just see in the image? All the files and folders are arranged in the form of a tile. Can you just see here in the image? All these are arranged in the form of a tile. So tile view is used to get the medium size icons with information about the type and size. So information is present at the down here. If you can see here, the information of that particular created file will be there down. So it is nothing but the medium sized icons, so which are arranged in the form of tiles. Now content view. Content view is used to get the content view. What is the content view? So content view is exactly where it is located. So it is located in the C drive, users, then user drive and then Ramesh folder and then in the downloads. So how it is located? So this one is content, where exactly it is located. Reset folder.zip. This folder is located, which is modified on the date, at this date, and it is located in C drive, users, Ramesh and downloads. Getting? So all this is the content where exactly the folders are located. Next, you can just take out the page number 13. So fill in the blanks. Dash acts as a mediator between the user and the computer, obviously your operating system. Dash is the waste basket of the computer. So which is the waste basket? That is recycle bin. Dash option is used to move a folder or a file, cut and paste. Dash helps to find the folders and pictures easily, that is folder views. Dash view helps us to show the size of the folder, that is your details view. Dash are the storage spaces of the hard disk, that is drives. Dash is a portable storage device, that is removable drive. Dash shows the contents of the hard disk and CD DVD drives, that is your computer icons. Next, multiple choice questions. Dash a set of information like text, sound, etc. So you need to tick which is the correct. Drivers, folders or files. Files contains the text, sound, images, etc. Select dash option to change the name of the folder. Obviously it is rename. Dash view helps you to see the details like file, size, date modified, that is details view. Then dash option is used to remove the folder, that is delete view. State whether true or false. You can change the picture of the folder icon. Yes, you can change it. I have shown how to change it. That is true. You can't rename a folder. False. You can rename your folder. Linux is an example for an operating system. Yes, or Linux is an operating system. True. You can't move a file to another location. Why? We can move a file from one location to another location. That is false. Pen drive is a portable storage device. Yes, pen drive is a portable. We can carry it anywhere. Next, name the following icons. This is folder view option. Then second one is DVD or CD drive. Third is a folder. You can see the image. And fourth is a recycle bin. Match the following. Please don't draw lines. Storage device. That is your hard disk. Deleted files where it goes to the recycle bin. Properties windows. It's mainly for the customize. Yellow color boxes. That is a folder. So I have written it clearly. Please see it and complete the exercises. Identify the following. So you need to identify here. So what it is written here. The name is given here. It is DVD drive. So it is DVD drive. So these are the drives. Local disk C and local disk E. Then what are this pen drive? It is a removable drive. Hope you understood now. This is DVD drive, this is removable drive, and these are the drives inside a computer system. Now answer the following questions. Since this textbook does not have any lines given, so you can just keep 100 pages notebook for this. So you can just, I have given the answers in the next slide. So please go through it and write in 100 pages computer class work. So what is an operating system? So operating system is a software which acts as a mediator between the user and the computer. It is also an interface between the hardware and the softwares. So you can write what is the operating system. You can write the question answers in the 100 pages notebook. So what is a folder? Storage folder is a storage place for files and the subfolders. How can you copy a file from the folder star to another folder moon? Now click on the folder star, right click, then click on the copy and paste it in the destination folder, or where destination where you want to copy it. Then still the folder names remain star. Is it? Once you copy it also it remains star. Now you can right click on the star, then you can select rename option. Rename star to moon. So you have two folders now, that is star folder as well as the moon folder. Now write the steps to delete a folder. How are you going to delete a folder? Right click on the folder, then click delete, press S. What do you mean by a drive? Drives are the storage spaces of hard disk. CD or DVD drive contains files from the inserted disk. Removable disk contains files from the pen drive or a memory card. Then how can you change the icon of the folder? Step 1, right click on the folder, select properties. Step 2, select customize tab and click on the change icon. Third is click on the browse and select any one icon format. Then click apply and OK. Hope you have seen in this video last how to change the icon and how the new icon appears. So if you have any doubts on this, all the question answers is given. So if you have any doubts, you please don't forget to write in the 100 pages computer classwork, because the space is not given in your textbook. Then if you have any doubts, please you can ask me. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. So this completes our chapter 1. So from the next class we are going to continue with the chapter 2. So please see the video clearly. I have given the answers. So if you have any still doubts, you can refer the textbook and you can ask me also. Thank you.